In lectures 7 and 8, you will learn more about motivation. Lecture 7, Part 1, is focused on defining motivation and exploring some of the most popular motivation theories. Lecture 8, Part 2, is focused on the application of motivation principles. By the end of Lecture 7, we want you to be able to describe the 3 key elements of motivation, compare and contrast the 3 needs theories of motivation, and the 3 process theories of motivation. Motivation includes a collection of processes that account for an individual's intensity, direction, and persistence of effort toward attaining some goal. These processes underlie how and why people exert effort to begin with, why they engage in the activities that allow them to meet goals. A single behavior may be the result of several different motives that are playing a role simultaneously. Motivation varies between people and within people. Our individual differences, our needs, values, and goals will impact our motivation. When it comes to employee performance, motivation is just one piece of the puzzle. If we're trying to improve employees' performance, we can make changes to their abilities, their motivation, or their opportunities. The 3 key elements of our definition of motivation are intensity, direction, and persistence. Intensity is concerned with how hard someone tries to do something. This is the element that most of us focus on when we talk about motivation. Direction is the orientation that benefits the organization. A positive direction helps organizational goals. A negative direction hinders their ability to meet these goals. Persistence is a measure of how long a person can maintain their effort over time. Highly motivated people can stay with a task until they finish it. Theories of motivation can help us understand what motivates us and how are we motivated. We can divide these theories into 2 categories: the need or content theories and the process theories. The first category, need or content theories, suggest that we are motivated to satisfy our needs. The hierarchy of needs theory, 2-factor theory, and self-determination theory are need or content theories. Process theories, on the other hand, identify the cognitive processes that come before our behaviors. How are we motivated? Goal-setting theory, expectancy theory, and equity theory are process theories.